Have you ever hoped that there's something better to watch? Something that not only showcases your favourite creatives, but a whole world of fresh, undiscovered talent in an interactive and immersive way? Let me show you Lounges TV. So many people have talent, but unless they have a huge following, it can be hard to earn money. Lounges TV be a pay-per-view live streaming platform with fantastic revenue opportunities for all kinds of creatives. So hosts will select a time in a day, set an entry price, and then go live to their viewers. Don't forget everyone watching from home, yeah? Let me help you out. Creators will be able to stream from any device and any location, streaming live shows or hosting sessions from home. Just gonna try a little bit. So we're building a really intuitive experience for those hosting and watching. For example, no more swiping up to buy products. Viewers can make purchases straight from the stream. Don't worry, I got this. It's all about entertainment and education here. Users from across the world will be able to pay to learn something new. Shh! But it's not only live content. Content is also available on demand 24/7. You can even rewind and replay. People are going to be able to earn money doing what they love. And to top it all off, we'll pay 80% of the revenue all within 24 hours. Now, how do you feel about that? Good, mate. Magic. So Lounges TV isn't your average streaming platform. Don't believe me? Check it out for yourself. Go to our website, www.lounges.tv.
Lounges TV is a new streaming platform that we firmly believe will disrupt the growing market, which is estimated to be valued at $184 billion by 2027. And streaming audiences have grown rapidly over the last 5 years. And COVID arrived and it's supersized. The mindset of the consumers have changed. And streaming is no longer for millennials and Gen Zs. It's brought a new wave of audiences, all ready to watch and enjoy quality paid-for content. But we think the current advertising revenue models for creators are flawed. They're based on digital eyeballs seeing video ads on their content, and not necessarily a reflection of their talent. So unless you have large audiences, you do not get the revenues or exposure you may deserve. And there is so much talent in the world that less than 1% of Instagram accounts have over 1 million followers. Lounges TV will work really well for the 1%, but it even works better for the 99%. Using a multi-stream model, we will ensure that Lounges TV is both attractive and scalable to creators. And to top it all off, we pay 80% of the revenue within 24 hours. Think of it as content streaming meets the gig economy. We run everything, the streams, the tickets, the payments, and we also give creators the tools they need.
We're designing this experience from the ground up. Lounges TV will have all the features you'd expect on a streaming platform, but with an extra layer of interaction and engagement. We're working with a wide range of creators to design a product that truly meets their needs. To start earning money and growing their audience, they'll simply schedule their live event, set their pay-per-view entry price and go live. Their event will be added to their profile, but also be shared on our platform, driving new audiences to their content. For viewers, we'll make it easy to find the content they love. They'll browse trending events, specific genres and personalised recommendations. There'll be something for everyone. When they have found the lounge that they want to join, they'll get an interactive experience with live commenting, genre-specific interactions, the ability to donate and even the ability to buy directly from the stream. It's not just the founders of Lounges TV who've seen the opportunity. Here are some of our advisors who have also seen huge potential in this new platform.
I've worked in the online broadcasting industry since its inception. I led the creation of BBC iPlayer, Love Film's streaming service, which was acquired by Amazon as a foundation for Prime Video, and DAZN, the Netflix for sport. As YouTube democratized access to free-to-view video, Lounges TV will open up premium paid content models to wider audiences. The reason I'm investing my time in Lounges TV is because I'm excited to be a big part in shaping the future of entertainment.
The Lounges TV platform is an absolute game changer. It's not only about earning revenue from your talent, but also getting exposure and practicing to an otherwise untapped audience. I'll be leading the talent mentorship and development for Lounges TV, and I'm super excited to see how this platform helps to shine a light on these potential stars of the future music industry.
I specialise in broadcasting and online streaming, and held executive positions with the likes of MTV, Nickelodeon, Fox Kids and A&E Networks. There has been a big entertainment shift already, and now the viewer has full control of when and where they digest content. The next step in the evolution of broadcasting is to audiences to take control of who they watch, who gets a platform and who gets their support. I'm most excited to see how Lounges TV will shape the future of the entertainment space.
I've spent 35 years in the business of music, alongside superstars and rising talent. There's been huge amounts of negative press as artists are not getting the revenue they deserve. A fresh and fair way of reaching audiences is well overdue. Lots of artists, both small and large, rely on live performances as one of their highest and sometimes their only form of earning opportunity. I'm really excited about how Lounges TV can merge with the live music industry to give it the boost it really needs.
The technology roadmap is underway, strategic marketing partnerships are being secured, and the feedback has been overwhelming from industry leaders. The funds raised from this round will be used to expand our list of content creators, further innovate, develop our technology platform, execute our marketing campaign, build critical mass and accelerate our growth so we can take full advantage of this booming market. We would love for you to join us, share the journey and invest in what we believe will be the next leading streaming platform.